Hi everyone, welcome to the channel Arun Automation Academy. So in this video, we are going to look into manual testing. Okay, in this particular video, we are going to see how to write the test cases. This is the basic thing. If you are going to become a software tester or a manual tester, you should know how to write the test cases. That is the documentation to show we have tested those things. Okay, we can track it with those things. Okay, I will give you like the basic thing for the login page here. Okay, I just took this sourcedemo.com. So here what we are going to do, we are going to validate this login page. How we are going to validate this? We will be writing test cases for this particular thing. Okay, so we will be writing it. I have prepared a Excel sheet for this one. So this is the one. Okay, so we have to create it like this. This is a sample thing. This is it will be almost same in some companies. In some companies it will be different, but here we have to give the test case ID. Test case ID is nothing but we will be giving test case 001, 002, 003 like that. Okay, so what it will do, if something is failing, we can easily tell like test case, this test case is failing, this test case is failing here. Okay, okay, scenario is nothing but the particular scenario what you are going to do. Okay, next one, test case description. We are describing what we are doing in this. So that is called as the test case description. Preconditions, what we want. If you are doing some login, right? So for that one, what it should be there? User should be already registered. Then only we can able to log in. Okay, test steps. Steps is nothing but steps one by one. We will be writing it and test data. What is the test data that we are passing? Okay, expected result, actual result, and status pass or fail. That's it. Expected is what we are expecting, and actual what is happening there. Okay. Okay, we'll start now. Okay, what we are going to do? We are going to enter with invalid first, invalid credentials. Okay. Okay. Verify logging in with invalid credential. Okay, let me. Okay, I will be describing here. Okay, verify logging in with username. Okay, username without password. What I'm giving here? Precondition, users should be registered. Okay, test step 1. Navigate to the URL. So, it's not coming. Second line. What's happening here? 2. Okay, this is next one. Navigate to URL, enter username, password is blank. Okay, test data what we are giving, username, username, username what we are passing here, standard user, standard user, and password blank. Expected result what it will be there. Okay, password is required, invalid message should be shown, error message, sorry, error message, password is required, should be shown. Okay, what is the actual? So here you have to give as expected, as expected is displayed. Okay, what is the status here? Pass, pass, that's it. Okay, next one. I think I can copy this one. I can take Google Sheets here. See. So this is how you'll be writing. Okay. Okay. So what I'll here verify login with invalid credential. Okay. Verify login with the username and without password. User should be registered. That is a precondition. And navigate to URL. Enter username. Password as blank. Username I'm giving this one. Password as this one. Error message is shown here. Expected also the same. Now let's pause. Okay. Now we will be doing with without password. Sorry, I'm copying the same invalid I'm giving here and verify logging in with username with password and without username. Okay, precondition same, here also same, but one thing we have to change, password here, username here. Okay, test data same, blank. Password, what we have to give? Secret sauce. Okay. Okay. Expected what is shown here. If I enter secret. Oh, logged in somehow. So without entering, see now username is required. Okay. Now it should show a wait. Now username is required. Okay, that's it. And as expected, okay, now it is pause. That's it. Same. This is how we need to write the test cases. So now we have covered positive and negative. Okay, sorry, negative things. Now what we will be covering? We will be covering the positive things. We will be just entering the username and password, and we will be logging in. Okay. Now verify logging in with valid creds. Okay, valid credentials. Verify logging in with username and password. Okay, same condition. Users will be registered. Here, enter username. That's it. Okay, and here also I have to change display data. What I'm passing here, standard user here. Okay, so this is the thing. Okay, and error message should not show. User should able to log in successfully. Okay, here also same as expected. User logged in successfully. Can we check that one as well? What is the user? Standard user. Okay, I'm logging in. See, it got logged in. That's it. So this is how we have to write the test cases. So in real time, the scenarios might be different, but you have to derive the scenarios. So it should contain both the negative and positive things. This is enough, I guess. We don't need to test a scenario description. Those things are not needed. Test case ID, test scenario, high level scenario, describing the scenario first. Precondition is that user should be registered, or the precondition should be there. If user registered, then only we can able to log in. Okay, sign up process should happen. Those things. Test steps, it should be there. If someone is when you are not there and you have some other QA is executing your test cases, then they should know what they have to do exactly. So it should be proper and clear. Test data that you are passing here. Okay, what data expected. So in easy terms, expected should contain should. It should be shown. It should be displayed. It should not be there. So expected should contain should. The should word, it should be there. And as you see, if you see in an actual result, as expected should be there. So that is the difference between both. And status should be pass or fail. It depends on that. So okay, on the first build, like after like how I can say, first time it's executed properly, and after a week it is not executing properly. Okay, on the time we can change it to fail. That's it, guys. So do watch this. If you have any doubts, just add it in the comment section and I will help you with it. Thank you.